Today, in this video, we will be going to learn types of illusion. Because of these types of illusion, we are thinking of ancient people as a primitive. The first type of illusion is the magnetic absorption theory of Earth. Because of this type of illusion, all evidences of advanced technology from ancient civilization lost by time. Just as this alien androgynous dying and rising authority topped science and technology after a natural disaster, it will do so again when another disaster struck. During earthquakes and tsunamis, when civilization retreats inwards, all technology might be pulled toward the Earth's core due to its magnetic force. Once it enters the volcanic layers, it melts away. This could explain why all evidence of advanced science and technology from ancient civilization is destroyed and lost to us. And only clay pots remain because the Earth's magnetic force has no effect on them. That is why archaeologists find only clay pots during excavation. Due to our inability to understand this principle of nature's illusion, we mistakenly assume that the people of ancient civilization were not advanced. For example, magnetic hill of Ladakh. If a metal car is parked near Ladakh's magnetic hill, the hill pulls the car towards it. Similarly, during floods or natural disaster, when a civilization is buried underground, all metal objects from that civilization are gradually drawn towards the Earth's core due to its magnetic force. Once these objects reach the volcanic layer, they melt away. That is why only clay pots are found during excavations, leading us to mistakenly consider ancient civilization as a primitive. The ancient medieval civilizations built massive forts on top of hills. It seems unlikely that they could cut a stone from the hill, carry it 1-2 kilometers uphill, place it for construction, and then climb back down to fetch another stone. After that, using stone tools like hammers, they will extract another stone from the hill. If we strike an almond a couple of times with a small stone at home, even our hands turn red and start to burn. Now imagine extracting so many stones from a hill using stone tools. People's hand will be bloodied and fractured. In such a situation, instead of building massive forts on top of hills, people would likely prefer to live in a simple huts. So what is the mystery behind scientists found stone tools of similar size and shape during excavations? For example, if we consider the ancient and medieval civilization might have used advanced technology to shape stones with machines. For example, just like in the case of stone wheel carving, identical sized stone pieces fall off during the process. After a natural disaster, when the civilization ends, the technology melts in volcanic lava due to the Earth's magnetic absorption theory. As a result, archaeologists find only clay pots and similar shaped stones during excavations, leading us to mistakenly believe that ancient and medieval people were not advanced. Under an illusion, we are labeling these similarly shaped stones as primitive stone tools. Similarly, can a delicate bird like a peacock pull a chariot with a human seated on it? So as in Greek civilization, the deity queen Hera, wife of Zeus, is depicted riding a chariot drawn by peacocks. This must certainly symbolize some spiritual principle or concept. In a similar manner, the Greek deity Hermes is depicted riding a chariot drawn by a rooster. This must certainly symbolize some aspect related to the soul, as a rooster, like a peacock, cannot pull a chariot with a seated person in a practical sense. In a similar way, according to Plato, in the allegory of the chariots, he described the chariot drawn by horses as a symbol of the soul. Thus, ancient depiction of horse-drawn chariots might represent such a spiritual imagery. Observing these spiritual symbols, we might mistakenly conclude that these people were not advanced and relied on horse-drawn chariots for transportation.